Friday. If you're new to Crochet Beginners Group, my name is Alexandra and I started Crochet Beginners Group about 2 years ago. We started off with just 5 members and now it's gone absolutely crazy, and we have lots of members from all over the world, and it's just turned into this amazing, wonderful crochet community. So today, my Film It Friday is all about our little trip. So me and Zoe, who's one of the other admins, are going to a shop in Bath called Wool. Now Laura, the lady that owns it, we kind of got in contact and she was like, oh yeah, come over and play with Wool. So me and Zoe are off there today. I'm not wearing my cardigan, so I am sat on my stairs. So I've not got my cardigan on that you saw in my lives. I didn't have time to finish it because I was doing it last night and my hand, sorry, I'm gonna have to swap hands. My hand, I don't know if anybody else gets a really sore hand from crocheting, but mine was killing last night. And I got a bit of the sleeve to do and it was like 10 o'clock and I got the collar to do and I would have had to join it all together. So I'm cheating and I got a Primark cardigan today, so I do apologise. I am going to try and get it done for Wonderwall, which will be really easy. I'll have it finished by the weekend. So anyway, come along with us on our journey. I always have speech problems when I do videos. On our journey to Bath, and oh my god, my skin's really bad. And yeah, we'll take you with us and you can see all the amazing yarn in Wool Bath. Yeah, so we'll see you in a bit. Car on the way to Bath and the lovely Zoe is driving. Have a look at some, oh you can't really see because it's a hedge. I was going to say, have a look at some lovely Kingsham. This is Kingsham, isn't it? Or is
no, this is past Salford, almost Bath now.
Oh, there you go.
Show them the Globe.
Oh yeah, the Globe pub. Oh, I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? I'm just like randomly turning the phone right. So yeah, we will see you when we are in Wool Bath. We've come in Primark. And oh my god, look. They've got loads of Disney stuff. I've had to get a key ring. But look, they've got loads of Marie. And Marie's my favourite. Oh my god. Finally found Wool Bath, which I will flip the camera around, much to Alexandra's rubbish directions, not believing Google Maps. And I didn't buy anything in Primark apart from a keyring and some
nail varnish.
And nail varnish. I was really good. So let me flip the camera around. Oh, I don't know if I can do it. No, I can't do it. I'll have to stop. Right, take 2, because I did record this and it wasn't recording. So we have found Wool Bath. It is on Old Orchard Street, tucked behind Marks and Spencer's. As you can see, it is a lovely little quaint Bath street with cobbles. I'm only laughing because honestly I'm such an idiot and I didn't press record. So here we go. So the lovely Laura has set her shop up in categories. So all this here is British. A lot of it's dyed. This is all dyed with plants. It's beautiful and the label tells you what plants have been used. How beautiful is all this? This is like the best shop ever. So all this is British.
50 times over.
This is So this is the lovely Laura who owns Wool Shop in Bath. Tell us about your, I don't want to say your journey with wool, but tell us about like how this came about, how your shop came about.
Okay, so pre-kids, had a bit of time, bit of money, and I'd been working in retail for a long time, managing other shops, and the kind of the universe aligned, and this shop came up, and it seemed like a good thing to do. Knew it was going to be a lot of hard work, but that was 8 years ago, and we've not looked back since, so it's amazing.
And what would you say is your most popular product in your shop?
So we sell a lot of sock yarn, a lot of sock knitters. I think because they're an easy project and they're quick, you can pick them up, put them down, they're good for travelling. So we sell a lot of socks, do a lot of baby knitting and crochet, loads of things for baby blankets. So there's not a particular thing. We have some really lovely yarns that are soft and machine washable, and so we do a lot of stuff for babies.
And what is your favourite product of the shop? Or is it
it's
really,
like
it's
asking me
really
to
hard
choose
to
between my
choose because this is
children.
like heaven.
Okay, I really don't know. Kid Silk Haze is probably my favourite yarn, and I do feel I feel like a traitor saying that, but it is, it just looks lovely on its own, mixed in with other things. The colour range is enormous, and it just feels like luxury. So yeah, everything that I've knitted with that, I love.
And I've got to show you Laura's amazing jumper that she knitted.
No Kid Silk Haze in here.
Thanks. So Laura, tell us about your new lovely how do you say it?
Rikarumi. So this is really specifically for amigurumi fans. Rico have made this amazing collection of tiny little balls.
They are very dinky and very cute.
They're really inexpensive, and they have 60 colours. They also do all the tools you could possibly need. Eyes, everything is here, and they make these sort of 6-inch cute little guys. All the patterns are available in books, and yeah, they're just
super cute and dinky.
so ridiculously cute. And it's a bit of a feast for the eyes, actually, if you're a colour person.
Lovely. And how much are they? Are they 95p?
95p a ball.
Bargain.
And they're a standard double knit as well, so they are interchangeable with anything that you're crocheting in a double knit. So if you just need a tiny bit of colour, rather than having to buy 100 grams of something, you can buy a tiny bit.
They're very cute. This is really random, okay? So me and Zoe are driving back, but we just thought we had to show you this building that's coming up. I mean, like, talk about scaffolding. Right, it's coming. We're like, what? That is like mental. Look at all that scaffolding.
You said it's a massive game of Kerplunk.
It's a Kerplunk game. I don't know if that's something to do with Dyson. Wasn't Dyson like building his thing here or something? This is Bath, everyone, look. We're showing you for all you American tourists that love Bath. This is it. The Bath Tourist Board are actually going to kill us.
You got me trapped in the too loud. Baby, please come home.
So I am now back home after an amazing morning at Wool Bath, and Laura is just the loveliest human being ever. She's just so sweet and she's really generous. Her shop is fab, so I will put all the details so you can go and check it out. And she's very, very passionate about yarn, and I love it. It's just like a little haven. But I thought I would show you what I got. So I popped into Typo and I got a light box because it was £6 instead of £25. It was £6. So I got one of those because I thought it looked cute, you know, a bit of Instagramming it up. And the lovely Laura has given me, now make me sorry, I got a bag as well because, so as you can see in the video, it's I also got a Minnie Mouse keyring and some nail varnish from Primark. So Rico do, as you saw in the video, Rico Rumi, which is this. So Laura gave me this pattern, and she also gave me some of the yarns, so I can make this sheep here. How cute is that? So the books are like, there's pattern books and there's lots of different animals you can make. This is a colour chart of all the little schemes you can get. They are so cute, honestly. And also there's another colour chart, so you can have a look at all the pretty colours. How adorable. They got unicorns, they got a bunny rabbit. I just love them. So I had a lovely day out, so big thanks to Laura, because it was just lovely. And it was just lovely to sit and chat about yarn and touch yarn, and basically just, yeah, it was amazing. So big love to Laura. She's like one of my new crochet BFFs now. So I'm going to go. I hope you have a lovely rest of the weekend. I'm going to pop a tutorial up on my YouTube channel on Sunday. I think I might do a puff stitch beanie because I did waffle stitch. Yeah, that's it. Have a lovely weekend, and I will speak to you all soon. Take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.